And welcome back. With just the 3 match days gone in the 2020-2021 Jamaica Premier League season, there has already been 2 coaching changes, with Anthony Patrick, the latest, to join the list after being called in by Malines United. Renato Brown reports.
It took more than 365 days for the football gates to reopen, but it took less than 20 for Calvert Fitzgerald to be shown the door at Malines United. TVJ Sports understands that Fitzgerald and the club parted ways over differences in opinion on youth players. However, when TVJ Sports spoke with chairman of the club, Eduardo Cornwall, he confirmed the appointment of Anthony Patrick, but stayed clear of confirming the departure of Fitzgerald.
What I can speak of at this moment, Anthony Patrick is a part of the coaching staff at Malines Football Club. And at this moment, I won't say it's a replacement, but I can speak for sure he's a part of our coaching staff at Malines Football Club. Calvert Fitzgerald, at this point, is still around. We just bring in Anthony Patrick as a part of our coaching staff.
It's a familiar storyline for Patrick and Fitzgerald, as in 2015, this same script was read at Waterhouse, where the former Bridgeport High School coach again replaced Fitzgerald. But if the fallout over the reluctance to play young players proved to be true, then Malines might have their dream coach.
Well, when you look around, we have a lot of youngsters here, with a few senior players, so the aim is to get in the youngsters, give them some opportunity, and but in the same breath, try to say we can make it to the top 6.
Patrick has not coached at the Premier League level since leaving the newly promoted Marvel Uenden in 2017.
I want to take a break, give it a break, focus on my school team and and a club team that we have in Portmore, a team I'm racing at the moment. But so I think with the youngsters, a lot of youngsters are in the club here. It propelled me and pushed me forward to accept the job and see how best I can work with the youngsters.
And despite having ties with Racing FC and St. Catherine High School, Malines United is hoping to tie up the Walker Cup winning coach with a long-term commitment.
At this point, I would say at this point, and I always say, every potential person in any organization, there must be vacancy. If Anthony Patrick brings that extra energy to the team that we are looking for, certainly we will do our best to keep Anthony Patrick among us.
The appointment of Patrick comes just 2 games into the 2020-2021 JPL season for Malines United, who are 10th on the 11-team table with 1 point. Renato Brown for TVJ Sports.